Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to connect Wise to Shopify. In order to do this, first of all, navigate to your Shopify store. Now I will show you that you cannot add Wise directly to your Shopify store. As you can see, I'm on dashboard. I will click on apps. Now I will search for Wise. So there's no result for Wise. So there's no way you can connect Wise application to Shopify store. Now I will go to settings. We'll navigate to payments. When I click on choose a provider and search for Wise in this area, I will see that there's no Wise providers on Shopify. So there's no way to add Wise directly. But don't panic. I have this support page that can help you with that. So this is wise.com's page. On this page, it shows how to use Wise with Shopify. Now it says how to accept payments from Shopify with Wise Business. To get paid through Shopify to your Wise business, you will need to open a balance with Wise in the currency you want to get paid in. Depending on the payment gateway you use with Shopify, you can then add your Wise account details to get paid in any supported currency. What you're going to do is simply open a Wise business currency balance. Open your Wise account, log into your account, tap the plus open button, then the currency balance, select the currency you need. You may need to complete an additional verification step by uploading some documents. Once you are fully verified, you'll be able to access your local details within the Wise app. So, pick up any currency you need, click on receive and tap on view and share account details on your Wise application. Now, after you have copied your details or written down your Wise account details somewhere, what you'll have to do is add your Wise business account details to Shopify. Now, once you have the currency balance you need, you'll be able to get your local account details and add them to Shopify. The exact process you need to follow may vary based on where in the world you are and which payment gateway you choose with Shopify. So here's an outline of the basic steps usually required. Log into your Shopify account, that is this page. Navigate to the settings, that is this gear icon at the bottom right corner. Click on the payments option. Now what you're going to do is simply enter the Wise account details for the currency you want to get paid in. So what you're going to do is click on add payment method or simply click on choose a provider. Now add a payment method to your Shopify, that is Wise account details in the payment section, and you'll be successfully able to add your Wise business account details to Shopify. So that's how you connect Wise to Shopify. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.